Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Pamela and I make content on all different things including horticulture, hair, bags, and my life. So if you're interested, don't forget to subscribe. But on today's video, I'm doing an amazing dream plant unboxing, and I'm praying today that when I open up this box, it is exactly what I'm imagining. No dead plants, no false advertisement scams, exactly what I purchased. So if you're interested in seeing what's in here, then keep on watching. So welcome back. Before I get into the plant unboxing, I just want to remind you all that I'm running a giveaway till November for someone to win their own philodendron, and all the details for that will be listed in the description box and also in the cards above me. But now let's get right into the unboxing. Okay, so what I'm just going to do now is pan you down like I always do. Alright. Okay. So this is an eBay plant purchase, by the way. So I just want to say that this plant took a week to get to me. And I also just want to say, for the first time ever in all the plants that I've ever purchased online, I think besides one, my mini bird paradise, I've never seen other sellers put fragile tape. So thank you. Alright, so this plant came all the way from Great Britain. So the seller left their info here. So if I like the plant, if the plant is what I purchased, then I will definitely be linking their information down below. So alright, I kind of honestly just like this whole presentation right now. I don't even know which way to open this. What I'm actually just gonna do, I'm gonna lift this whole thing out of the box. There's a little bit of dirt. I'm so nervous, guys. I'm so nervous. Oh my god. Just zoom you guys up a bit. Oh my god, guys. Yes. I got an Hoya Linearis. Oh my god. Guys, I'm so happy. Oh my god. I'm so happy right now. This plant. Oh my god. Oh, yes, I can't even describe the excitement right now. So I'm getting dirt everywhere. Alright, I'm struggling because my camera is about to die. Sheesh. Alright, I'm trying to cut this bag off. Okay. So I'm cutting this plastic off here. Oh my god. Yeah, I have to like invest in another camera battery because oh my god, y'all, this is a beauty. This plant is so beautiful. And I got 2 of these little babies that popped off, and that's probably my fault. This plant was packaged amazing. It's exactly what I purchased and more. I will leave the eBay seller down below, and again, this plant is from Great Britain, and any specs and details about this plant I'll again list below. This is in a, I believe, a 4-inch or a 6-inch pot, a 4-inch pot. Guys, you see how full this plant is? Oh my god, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. This plant has like fixed any issues that I've had with all my past sellers for any other Hoya. Has been redeemed by this one plant. So please, thank you so much to my seller, and I can't wait for this Hoya Linearis to grow and just become even, oh my god, this is amazing. Look how long this is. My arms hurt from holding this. But guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I'm trying to wrap it up before my camera dies. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Rare plant, Hoya Linearis. Subscribe if you aren't already. Join the Slowly Cookie family because we're pretty awesome here. Like this video, share it, comment down below. Do you have a Hoya? Would you like a Hoya? What are your favorite Hoyas? And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.